Hi, I'm Elvie from Meadowlark Log Homes, and we're going to do a video of this house that they started this morning. The guys are done for the day. They're putting their equipment away. They're blowing themselves off with an air hose, getting all their dirt off their bodies. So this morning, there was nothing here. They started and they laid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 courses today. This house is 33 this way and 37 that way. 37 by 33. There will be a log gable on this end, the peak running down that way. This is an interior log wall with a stairway going up right along the wall. And this is out the front porch with an overhang, and then side porches on both that side and that side, covered porches with a straight roof. It'll be pretty cool. But I thought they did really well for one day to pre-assemble what you see. So we'll continue to monitor their progress all the way up and all the way down. This is going to be a really nice house. So here are a few of the boys left over. A couple of them went home. It's my son Jalen, responsible out here. Number 2 in charge, Jesse. He's getting married to my niece. He's really excited about that. Yeah. And my my nephew, Abijah. He's the youngest of the crew, but don't let that fool you. They're all really good. We're talking about expanding this shop. It's so tight, packed with tools. All their toys are in here. You know, that was day 1. Not bad, huh?
Not bad, yeah.
Yeah, that was a good run. See you soon.